In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Gumroad 2026. Pro Payout Settings. Let's get you set up so your Gumroad earnings land in your Payoneer account smoothly. Start by logging into your Gumroad dashboard. In the top right corner, click your profile picture to open the menu, then head into Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Payments or Payout Settings section. This is where you control where your money goes. You'll see an option to choose your payout method. In many regions, the simplest way to connect Payoneer is to select Bank Account. That's because Payoneer provides you with local receiving bank details through its global payment service, which Gumroad can pay into just like a regular bank. Now switch over to your Payoneer account in a new tab. Once you're signed in, go to Receive, then open Global Payment Service. Here you'll find the bank details that act as your receiving account. You'll typically see the bank name, your account number, a routing number, and sometimes a SWIFT or BEC code if it's required for international transfers. These details may be available for different currencies or regions. So choose the one that matches the currency Gumroad pays you in for the smoothest transfer. Copy the bank name, account number, routing number, and SWIFT or BIC code if Gumroad asks for it. Be precise and avoid extra spaces when copying, then head back to your Gumroad payout settings and paste each piece of information into the payout form fields exactly as they appear in Payoneer. If Gumroad gives you a field for optional information that doesn't apply to your Payoneer details, it's fine to leave that blank. Before you submit, double-check everything carefully. Make sure the bank name matches, the account number and routing number have no missing digits, and the currency or region you selected in Payoneer aligns with how Gumroad will send your payouts. Accuracy here prevents delays and failed transfers. Save your payout settings. After saving, keep an eye on your email. Gumroad may send a verification message or ask for additional identity verification to keep payouts secure and compliant. Complete any request promptly so your account can be approved without interruption. Once you're approved, future Gumroad payouts will be sent directly to your Payoneer receiving account via the bank details you provided. You'll then be able to manage or withdraw those funds from within Payoneer, just like any other incoming transfer. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and your Gumroad earnings will flow into Payoneer reliably and with minimal hassle.